Hello drummers, and this is especially for the drum subscribers to the Fingers of Fury channel on YouTube. And so I'm sharing some of the things that we cover on the Fingers of Fury site, and there's also the new membership there called Drum Dojo, and that's about practicing, and we all practice together. There's a forum and we help each other and share ideas, set pretty big goals and practice like drumming ninjas. So it's pretty cool, and I thought I'll just give you some insights into some of the stuff we do. So this is just going to be a very short video with some Turkish method for you to practice. It's the beginner methods, but it's stuff that I still use today after doing this style for a good decade or a bit over. So really nice methods to warm up, okay? And some of them are so easy, they're actually kind of complicated. So here we go. This drum is a bit flat today, so here we go. Do, dum, do, dum. You can see the two fingers being engaged up the top there. It's a Turkish style. Now I'm going to rush through some of these. If I was practicing, I would probably sit on this for a few minutes before changing. So I'm just going to rush through a whole lot and throw about a dozen different techniques at you, and then you can keep rewinding the video and grabbing them. If you wanted a more in-depth look at this, there's a 3-month Turkish style course on the Fingers of Fury membership, and there's more videos and conversations going in the Drum Dojo membership. There's 2 memberships on the website, so check it out. Here we go. Could even work on the roll from there. So tuck and then group of 3. And then the fingers. Lots of ideas here, so pull them all apart and just do them all one at a time. It's a great method to follow. From here, you could almost do, in fact we'll do falahi in this style. It's fantastic, it's a technique to practice, and once it becomes up to tempo, it's a beautiful sounding rhythm. So we have great rhythm. Falahi. So there's a lot of work for you. Enjoy it, practice it, don't overdo it and cause yourself any strain or an injury. And if you'd like to learn more about what we do over at the Drum Dojo and Fingers of Fury, follow the link. I'll see you there. I'll see you in the forum anyway. Okay, ciao for now. Enjoy your drumming.